Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 26th, 2022. I'm going to talk about Intel stock today and show you why this stock is becoming better and better at being a buy than a lot of other stocks. So before I break that down, before I show you what I expect the market to do in Intel, welcome. Yeah, if y'all appreciate my videos, my content, if y'all appreciate that someone is actually being fully transparent and documenting where they think price is going to go, then go ahead and join the team. Hit the like button here and also subscribe here to our channel, because we want you all to see, we want you all to learn, we want you all to know that you can actually predict prices for yourself so that you can actually win in the market more often than lose, and say that you cannot win in the stock market, because I know a lot of people are out there trying to get you to think that you cannot make money in the market. That's couldn't be further from the truth. So check this out. I did a video for Intel on February the 19th. Yeah, you guys can see it. My prediction is still here on the chart. I'm gonna break it down and talk about it. All right, so look at this. On that particular day, I was looking at, hey, the market in Intel is definitely weak, but I wanted to show you as well. Go back and listen to the video. All right, I don't want you all to think that I'm just out here just talking. No, I want you all to go back and listen to what I said. I told you that this price will definitely have to hold around $44. Yes, I told you all that on that video. And we got the confirmation in Intel that it did exactly that. So hopefully you all took note of that and said, yeah, he said that the price in Intel needs to hold right there around 44, and it did. So price only went down 2.25% after I did the video, and it did it twice. Right here from out the gate, on the onset, it went down. Price went in Intel went up, came back down, and tested that area again of $44. And the market buyer stood up again at $44 in Intel. It's just that simple. So yeah, the market in Intel did not go massively lower than that. It didn't. It didn't come all the way down here to 38.50. So this is why this is becoming better and better at being a buy. It's because the buyer stood up at $44. The weakness is not here in Intel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what needs to happen going forward in Intel for us to know where we're going to go. Okay. So what this market in Intel is doing is not only is it trying to keep it in line with this long-term trend, which is fantastic, we also came through and bounced off $44. So even though you guys can tell that price is elevated, that price is high, the market is confirming that it's comfortable at trading at these prices. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, because I really want to show the foundation of the buyers standing up in Intel right there on 44. I don't care what anyone says. As long as price in Intel holds this $44, guess what? You got it. Price is going to go up. And this market in Intel is creating like a trading channel, right? And there's a couple of areas to which the market sellers are standing up. This is one area that the market sellers are standing up, but the biggest area is up here around $68. This is where the market is standing up at. Okay, so let me bring this in closer. So this is the range to which Intel is trading. That's it. Okay, so as we approach, as we go throughout the year 2022, 2023, we are going to utilize these areas as gauges to who's running the yard. Sellers are running the yard the higher you go up. The buyers are running the yard the lower you go down. They're not letting the price break below 44. They got a stronghold of that price. The buyers, they do. So now let me show you another chart angle and show you why I'm still looking for this price in Intel to go up. Okay, so we already established that support is at 44. This is the weekly chart. I want you all to see this here. Okay, we closed at the high of the bar last week's trading. Cool. I'm looking for price to go up. It's just that simple. Now I'm seeing a couple of tops on this weekly price chart that we need to pay attention to, and it's right here. This is the nearest area that we need to pay attention to into the market in Intel. We need to be careful. We need to pay attention. We need to make sure that the price in Intel can actually break above 56 for us to maintain our bullishness, right? Check this out on the 3 weeks. Let's see what is the chances of Intel breaking $56 to the upside. Like, this is massively bullish too, right there. I don't even care what anyone says. That's a buy right there. For us, throughout the last 3 weeks, see Intel come all the way down to 44 and still grab buyers, and we close at the high of the bar. Yeah, I'm definitely looking for the price in Intel to go up. Okay, now that first area, like I said, is right here around 56 though. Then my second area that we could possibly see the market Intel reach is up here around 58. So it's like in $2 increments, we can see the price in Intel move before those sellers try to appear back into the market. This is Intel. We got what, 5 days and 4 hours left before this current monthly price bar ends. But again, this is a very stable market in Intel, right here around 44, 50, $55. This is a very stable market in Intel. So it tells me that, yeah, a lot of the institutions, a lot of the people who really cover this stock, they're not feeling weak at all. I don't care if they come on CNBC, Fox Business, and tell you to be prepared for a lot of volatility. This chart is not lying to you. Intel is not volatile. It's stable. And it's holding its ground at $44. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and play the strength into the market in Intel now. Okay. We're going to continue to play some strength here in this stock's price movement. Okay. We're going to look for the market to continue to give us that. And I'm going to continue to play that until we see this market in Intel break $44 to the downside. Now, I have given you two price areas. That first one I can see is right there around 54. Okay, so let me give you three price targets. First one's around 54. We might see some selling come into the market in Intel there. You might get spooked. It might go down massively one day. But as long as the buyers reclaim their position, then the next second price target is going to be 56. That's 8%. Then my third price target is going to be up here around 58. Now you got to give me time, i.e. 3 weeks, a month time frame to let this market in Intel come up there to like $58. It's not going to happen in one day. I'm not looking like for a cosmic explosion in price in Intel. It's going to be spurts. It's going to be volatile. It's going to have ebbs and flows. It's going to go up one day, go down 2 days, go up one day, go up the second day, go down one day. It's going to be like that. All right. I'm not looking for this to occur like to the next trading day the market opens. So now this is it. This is my expectations going forward right now in the market in Intel. And I'm going to maintain this bullish idea of looking for Intel to go up as long as price holds $48. All right. 48. Dip it down a little bit lower. 47. All right. And that's it. I'm done. It's your turn. Give me your price prediction. Yeah. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Just simply get in position to win out amongst the competition. This is what this game is all about. So hit me up. Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.